Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Unity Hub, a compatible editor version, and a quick backup of editor settings. Assets so you can revert. Once done, open your project and go straight to Edit Preferences, Windows, or Unity Preferences, macOS. Here you'll see the general and UI theme controls. Make sure to pick light or dark now. If you plan a custom theme, you'll enable experimental or third-party tools next. Don't delay this choice because it affects contrast and text legibility. You now apply the theme. Select light or dark in Preferences General Theme and watch the editor repaint immediately. If you need finer control, install a recognized theme package from the Asset Store or import a theme file. These give granular color, icon, and syntax settings. Once installed, open the Theme Tool panel, tweak UI colors, and test in multiple windows. Make sure to save changes to your project or export theme presets so you can reuse them across projects without redoing work. You finish by saving editor settings and exporting any presets so themes persist across machines. Once complete, inspect Inspector, Scene, and Game views for readability issues and adjust contrasts as needed. If something breaks, missing icons or strange colors, first restart Unity, then re-import the theme package or clear the UI cache. If issues persist, restore your backup editor settings. Asset. Remember this single troubleshooting step. Revert the saved backup to return to a known good state and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.